Hi, I'm Mark Garner from EXP, and today you join me at this development in Dorsley, which is just north of Lightmoor Village in Telford. The site that we're on, it is coming to an end. This particular development, it was just a small one with 115 units in total. It was a mixture of 2, 3 and 4 bed properties, and the property that we're going to see today is one of those 4 bed detached properties. Now, this site itself used to be a sandstone and basalt quarry, but you'll be happy to know from historical maps and data that the developers looked into, there's no open mine shafts on the site whatsoever. Now, this property, it's the Ashburton house style. It's a 4 bed detached. On the downstairs you've got lounge, you've got WC, utility, and you've got a lovely kitchen diner stroke family room which leads out onto a generous sized garden to the rear. On the upstairs we've got 4 double bedrooms, family bathroom and an ensuite to the main bedroom. So without further ado, let's get you into the property. Follow me. Okay, so that is inside this beautiful 4 bed detached property. I really do hope you've enjoyed this tour. It is a really great house. It's going to make a great family home for somebody, and if you are interested in finding out more information about this property, then please do reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. You can contact me on 077 89 647 226 or email me at mark.garner@exp.uk.com. Well, that's it from me. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this, and as I say, if you are interested, please feel free to reach out to me for more information, and I'll see you in the next video.